Good afternoon, this is David Wall with Hamel Builders. I'm doing a test recording with FlashBack Express 5. Looks like, looking at a couple of different apps, looks like a pretty good option for us to use. Lets you have the webcam in the corner, there's no time limit on the video, and you can record the whole screen, hopefully multiple windows too. I'm going to take a look at that here in a second. Pulling up additional files just to show that we can jump around from window to window, and we'll see what that looks like in the final product. And here you see we can go through the drawing set. You can jump to building connected. You want to have everything on the one monitor that you're going to be using. As a test, I'm going to pull one of my screens over here as well. You can see I'm looking at the details for a project. This is Georgian Court. Of course, this would be building connected, not this WordPress program that I'm in here. And you can just walk them through as little or as much detail as you want. You'll want to work from an outline or a script. The format, it'll output to probably MP4 or whatever industry standard format there is. We can upload it to YouTube, etc. from there. So I'm going to stop it right there and just see how that looks.